morning, student. I am Chayan Kumar Das, your art and craft teacher. Now, today I going to make bird for class 4. We take glue, marker, scale, cutter, eraser, pencil and scissors and paper. Now we draw. Now we cut it. Now I take a paper and cut. Cut. After that, I paste it. Remove the extra paper. Now we take 3 inch by 3 inch paper and one cut like this and another cut like this. Now I fold it and paste it. And paste it. We make wings and tail this bird. Now we cut beak. This is beak. Now I paste it. Paste the tail like this. The tail wings like this. Now you paste a googly eyes. Now your bird is ready.